So we are starting with the roller follower problem, where we have already finished this displacement drawing, where the SHM ascent is there and URM descent is there, where URM consists of the part of acceleration period and remaining part as a deceleration period. Okay, so one very important thing in this problem is here we can see that the in the problem, the roller bearing, roller follower has 25 mm diameter. Roller follower means this roller follower is this. Okay, and next is, so sorry, attached to the following to give a lift of 38 mm. Already we finished this 38 mm in the displacement drawing. Axis of the follower is offset to the right of cam axis by 18 mm. This offset is nothing but one more circle where it consists of this 18 mm. Correct? 18 mm is nothing but 1.8 centimeter line you draw it, and that will consist of that will represent the offset circle. Okay, and now it's fine. So we'll come to this particular thing. Please take your compass and draw the base circle radius of 18 mm. Base circle radius of how much? 18 mm. Okay, so base circle radius is how much? 18 mm. This is the base circle radius. So let me draw the I can't move this. Yeah.
Sir, base circle 50 mm.
Yeah. Base circle radius is of 50 mm. Finished? Okay. So I'll first draw this thing. So I hope you finished.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, what you have to do is you have to draw the offset circle. I think you finished that also. So let me draw it quickly. This is the next step.
Sir, one doubt.
Yes,
So
yes.
where did we get that 50 mm circle?
15. Where it is? It's 18 mm. Offset is 18. They have mentioned in the
orange circle.
Orange color 50 mm. They have mentioned here already in the problem. Base circle radius. Last sentence you refer to the problem.
Okay.
See there. You got it?
Yeah.
See here. Correct. The base circle radius is of 15 mm. Got it right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So yeah. So here now this you finished, and now very important thing in the circle this roller follower is there comes one more circle called prime circle. What is exactly the prime circle? Okay, so what is the radius of this roller follower die is how much it is? 25 mm. Correct. So now, and what is the radius of this particular offset radius is how much? Offset radius is how much? Offset radius is
18 mm.
18 mm, correct? So 18 mm is there, and you can see the particular roller bearing where the roller bearing radius is touching to the base circle, and this what difference is here. So you can see here the whatever you can see this distance. Okay, so whatever this distance we have to add here. Okay, so how to add this? Because we are not connecting this point to this directly. It is a certain distance is maintained because of this radius. Okay, that is 12.5. So what is exactly the prime circle radius here? Can you do the math here? So you can see 18. Okay, you can see here offset circle radius is 18 mm. 18 mm plus this 12.5. You got it? You got it? Hello? See here, or else you can see here. Base circle radius is 50 mm. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Base circle radius is 50 mm. This orange color line is 50 mm. That is base circle radius. 50 mm.
Yes,
You
sir.
have 50 mm here. Correct? 1 minute. I'll take the N0 one. It's easier for me to represent. The base circle radius is how much? 50 mm. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this radius is 25 mm. So radius is how much it is? Radius is 12.5. 12.5. So if I want the distance from here to here, it is 50 mm, correct? This is 50. Correct? Hello? It is 50. And what is this distance?
12.5.
This distance is 12.5. So total distance is? Total
62
distance is 62.5. This is what we call it as prime circle radius. This is what we call it as prime circle radius. This. Correct? Or simple method I have done here. I have just calculated and kept it here. That is this. 1 minute. This. You can see here. See here. Base circle dia is 50 mm. Prime circle radius is nothing but prime circle radius is always the base circle radius plus radius of the roller follower. That is 62.5. Got it? Got it? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So prime circle radius is always base circle radius plus the roller circle radius. Okay. So now what happens? You have to draw one more circle of how much? 62.5. One more circle of 62.5. Draw the circle. So I think like you need to increase your speed as you start practicing with the more problems. Your speed must increase. Okay, finished? Finished? $62.5, you directly you can like it will become how much? 6.25 centimeters, correct? That is approximately you can take it as 6.3 also, no problem. Finished? Aita?
Aitu, sir.
Okay. Next, listen carefully now. Next, what you have to do is you have to draw a tangent line. You have to draw a tangent line where it is tangent to this 18 mm circle. Okay, it has to be vertical. Got it? You better draw it as a dotted line so that it's easier for you to understand. So, or else I'll use the different color so that you can understand. Draw the exact vertical line. Okay, this line intersect with the prime circle. This line intersect with the prime circle. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
At that particular point, draw one more circle of roller follower. This roller follower is the right round one. So you have to draw that one of how much radius is 12.5. That is 1.25, or approximately you can take it as 1.3. Finished? Finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Gurudatta. Okay. So next, what you have to do now? Rest all work is very fine, very easy right now. So here in this particular the ascent, you can see here in this particular ascent. Okay, so 6 divisions are divided. That is 72 degrees are divided into 6 divisions. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, those 6
Yes, sir.
divisions you have to divide it here. Okay, so before doing that thing, what you have to do is you have to use this thing. What is that? You have to mark one more line, is that this from center to this center you have to draw one more slant line. Finished? Finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what you have to do is 72 degrees you have to draw here. Now you have to draw the 72 degrees angle with the help of protractor and mark this line. Mark this line. Just mark this point on the prime circle. 72 degrees you mention, 18 degrees you mention. Total 180 degree remaining is 112.5 and 67.5 is there. That also you can mention it. If you use a full pro circle protractor also, it's easier for you guys. Else if you are using the 180 degree protractor, that is also anything is convenient. If you have the full circle protractor, then what you can draw is 72 degree directly one shot you mark, plus 18 is 90 degree you can mark directly, and from there 112 you can 100 you can add it and just join it. That is how much it will become. 90 plus 112 is how much? 212 is 212.5, right? So remaining is 67.5. You understood how to draw it? Any doubts in this? Hello? Yes. Any doubt in this? You're able to draw it? (72 degrees). Next is 18 degrees.
Sir, like in the previous problem,
Hmm.
in this one also we can draw directly after 72 plus 180. Why do we need to draw that
18 degree
112.5 and
112.5 is required. Actually, this whole 1 minute, let me mark it and show here. This whole thing is actually one UARM, correct? UARM, correct?
yes.
But what happened, this 180 degree is divided into 3 parts. 112 into 3 parts,
Okay, so what?
3 divisions, and again this is into 3 divisions. So totally how many? It is 6. Correct?
In last one it was all equal 6. So
Equal.
we will divide.
Now it is, there is acceleration, deceleration, uneven parts are there, right? So what we are doing is we are mentioning those things. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Draw this thing quickly. And those who are finished, I think next step what it will be? Next step what it will be? Let me do the formality here till you finish your work.
Sir, 12 degrees divide ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ sir?
Yes, you have to divide. What you have to divide is
Each division 12 degrees.
exactly 72 divided by what you have to do is 72 divided by 6 divisions. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Today's date is 19/05/2020. Okay. Okay. It is done. And then you have to join, rejoin the same link if it got expired, right? Okay. Still 7 minutes are there. Okay. Finished? Done?
Sir, a 12 ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು sir?
12
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ
degrees. This 72 degrees what you have, right? This
divided
72
by
degree
6.
divided by 6. Exactly.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 12
So
we'll get, and
12,
later from where we need to take 12, sir, in this
12, 12, 12, we
that-
have to take it 1 minute. Let me annotate it. So next what you have to do is, yeah, 12. Okay. So next what you have to do is 12 you have to take from this line. Keep your protractor like this. Start marking from this 12, 12, 24. Okay, 24 plus 12 is how much? 36. Am I right?
Okay,
The
sir.
math is
Got it,
correct.
sir.
Okay, so I'll mark these and points here. That is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello.
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದ.
ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Sorry,
ಹಾ
personal
ಕೇಳಿ.
call ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. So I'm not interested. Okay, fine. Okay, so now you have to mark one more. So you finished marking?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next what you have to do is from 6 points you already marked here, right? Correct? 6 points already have marked. I think you have marked up to this point. No, already you have this also. I think. Okay, so what you have to do is next you have to draw these points tangential lines. You have to draw the tangential lines. Okay, you have to draw the tangent lines. Which color should I select? Dark green. Okay, fine. So you have to draw the tangent line from this. You have here this. You take your scale, put it here at this point and align it tangentially to this and draw this line. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Okay, so draw all the tangent lines like this. Draw all the tangent lines. Got it? I think drawing tangential lines is very fun, right? Finished?
So that one more last tangent is of another part, I guess.
It's okay, no problem. That point you have to draw a tangent, no problem. That is the end of the point, right? Dwell end point.
Yes.
It's okay, no problem. Can mark. Next, again, you have to take a protractor. Already 112 degree already marked there, correct? Here, this point, correct? This point and this point already marked. Am I right? Now, this part, what you have to do is you have to divide into 3 divisions. Divide into 3 divisions. Okay. Divide into 3 divisions. And again, this into 3 divisions. Got it? Hello? Last 1 minute is remaining. I think you have to rejoin the all circuses. Okay. Oh God. What color I have used is, first one is orange. Next one is offset circle. ಯಾವ color itama last of figure? It was green here and it was blue here. Okay, select here this thing. Okay, now step by step. First is what you have to do is first base circle, that is orange color, that you have to align. First is orange color. You guys start doing, I'm just explaining the sequence once again. First orange color circle, that is base circle, you have to draw. And next what you have to draw is, next one is the, okay, next one is next you have to draw the offset circle. Next you have to draw the offset circle. Next you have to draw the which color was the prime circle's radius? ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್?
ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಸರ್, ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
Yes. So green. No, I think dark green I have used it for
Lines.
Okay. So next you have to draw the prime circle radius. Am I right? Okay. So next, I have to draw the roller follower radius. Roller follower radius. Correct. Okay. So next, what I have to do is I have to draw lines of. I have to mark the points first. I have to mark the points first of red color. It was I marked red color initially. So I have to mark all these points. Okay. Then I have to mark. I think 3 divisions you already divided. Hopefully you finished these things, right? Three divisions. Here you have to do the 3 divisions. Okay. Clear? 1 division, 2 division, 3 divisions. Again here 1, 2, 3. I hope you marked it right already. Finished? So next I have to draw the tangential lines of dark green I have selected. From this point to this point you align a scale and draw the tangent lines, that is from here to here. Correct? And similarly from here to here and from here to here. If you extend a little bit more also, it's not a problem. So just draw the lines properly from here to here and from here to here. You're able to hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. I forgot to mark these lines actually. So actually you have to mark these points to these points before only. Like after drawing this roller follower, you have to draw this offset line. Okay. And from this point to this point you have to draw. And from this you have to start measuring the angles. Okay. So similarly this dark line continues. And from here to here you have to draw. You finish all tangent lines? I hope you all finished. So 112.5 divided by 3, how much it will come? Hello?
37.5.
37.5 each dot is from here to here it is 37.5. Am I right? 37.5 from here to here to here it is 37.5 degrees. 37.5 degrees. And here it is 67.5 divided by 2 is, yes, 67.5 divided by 3 is
33.75, sir.
is to 33.
3.7.
Is it?
Sir, 22.5, sir.
22.5, yeah, exactly.
So 67.5 divided by 3 na 2 na?
3.
ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ
three
22
divisions.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
3 divisions you have to do. Because here,
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
okay, 22.5.
Yes, sir.
ಹಾ ಸರ್ 22.5.
22.5 degrees. This is also 22.5 degrees. Correct? So I marked everything. Okay, and just erase this. Okay, finished? ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರದು? ಅಂಕಿತ್, ಚೈತ್ರ, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ತಿಳಿತಾ ಇದೇನ್ರು?
ಹಾ ಸರ್ 1 minute.
ಮಾಡಿ. Anirudh Krishna and Ashrit, guys are understanding what I'm teaching? Yes, Ashrit and Anirudh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Bhavya, Bhumika.
Yes, sir, we're doing.
Okay. Bhavya is virtually present, I think.
No, sir, I'm here.
Okay, good. Gurudat is already replying. Jahnavi, after long time. Jahnavi, idiyanama?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. ತಿಳಿತಾ ಇದೇನಮ್ಮ?
Yes, sir.
Sushiraj, you guys are understanding what I'm teaching?
Sir.
Okay. What about Sharmila and Kushal?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, good. Surbhi, Shivangi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Okay, finished? Let me start with the next part, that is marking the distance from the displacement drawing. Okay, finished? Hello, ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಾ ಇನ್ನು? Okay,
Finish, sir.
okay. See, next what you have to do is translating this 1 to 1 dash, 2 to 2 dash, 3 to 3 dash. So it's very important to write down the markings, like numbering properly each and every point. Okay, so here 1 is very closer actually, right? 1 is very closer. You have to mark all the distances from the pink color, that is prime circle. You have to mark all the points and the distances from the prime circle itself. Am I right? Okay, so now what you have to do is 1 to 1 dash, you have to translate and mark the point. 1 to 1 dash from the SHM, that is in 72 degree duration. Okay, so what I have to do is you have to take your compass, and then mark the distances. How to mark the distances is nothing but drawing a simple line. or simple arc. Okay, from 1 to 1 dash you cut at the certain point. Okay, so probably this is at around I can say
Sir, 1 to 1 dash compass al madakagala.
okay, you can measure it
Kami.
scale also no problem. Yeah,
0.3 ano barute.
0.3. You can mark with a scale, no problem. I think this purple color is visible. Yeah, 2 to 2 dash. From here to here, 2 to 2 dash, it is
1 centimeter.
approximately 1 centimeter. Okay. And 3 to 3 dash.
2 centimeter.
Okay. Now I think you can use compass very easily and it will make your work faster. Trace the distance from this displacement drawing. Take the compass, keep it on the 0.3 here, and just take the distance and just cut the arc here. 4, 4 dash, 5, 5 dash, like that. You have to go on marking. Okay. Next 4 to 4 dash, you have to mark. 5, 5 dash, you have to mark. 6, 6 dash, you have to mark. Again reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 it will come. Again, what happened? So listen here first carefully. Once it is come to the 6 dash, then what happen? Again it will start descending. 6 dash, 5 dash in reverse manner. 6 dash, 5 dash, 4 dash, 3 dash, 2 dash, 1 dash kind of thing. Okay, so start doing in reverse manner now. Okay, so this starts from 6 dash at the point 6 dash, 5 dash, 4 dash, 3 dash, 2 dash, 1 dash, and it is 0. 0 is nothing but the point on the base circle itself. Finished? Finished all markings?
ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ?
I think Gurudutt only has to verify it because 1 to 1 dash is 0.3, 1 2 to 2 dash is 1 centimeter, 3 to 3 dash is how much it is? 1.3 na Gurudutt?
ಚಂದ್ರು ಸರ್.
Chandru, oh Chandrasekhar, oh,
ಗುರುದತ್
sorry.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
Okay, sorry, Chandrasekhar.
Sir, 3 to 3 dash 2 centimeter.
3 to 3 dash is 2 centimeter, 4 to 4 dash is
3 centimeter.
3 centimeter. Okay. 5 to 5 dash is
5 to 5 dash 3.5 ano sir.
3.5. I think you guys have to copy it from the displacement drawing. You don't have to take a distance from other people, like actually you have to get it from the displacement drawing. Your displacement drawing is perfect. If it is correct, then only you will get the cam profile in proper manner, or else you won't get. Okay, we need lots of practice for this. Okay. Next. Aita. Okay. See here, next what you have to do is these points are there already, right? 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. Hopefully my voice is clear. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So my voice is clear, hopefully. So now what you have to do is you have to take the compass right now. Keep it on this thing. Keep it on this thing. Keep it on this particular point and take the radius of 12.5. Just you take the compass and mark the radius 2.5. Ready? Compass is ready with radius of 12.5 from here to here. Copied. Take that compass. Take this compass and start marking these arcs. You have the arcs, right? From 2 dash, 3 dash, everything. You start drawing this arcs. Okay. Start drawing these arcs. Arcs are there, right? So this arc, this arc, this arc.
Sir, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು sir?
These marked point 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash you marked, right? 1 dash, 2 dash, mark all those arcs. Mark those arcs.
So radius of arc is 12.5.
12.5 prime circle, sorry, in the roller follower radius. You can imagine the slow motion when you take it, the roller follower is positioned at every point. Means how it looks at when it is coming in contact here, how it coming at contact at this point. So this is like this. Clear? You can draw the arc also, you can draw the full circle also, no problem. I have just drawn the only arc because it saves my time, that's it. If you want, you can draw the full circle also, not a problem. Finished? ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಯ್ತೇನ್ರಪ್ಪ? ಆಯ್ತೇನೋ ಅಂಕಿತ್? Hello?
Yes sir, ಆಯ್ತು.
ಓಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನಾ ಚಂದ್ರು? ಓ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಅಂಕಿತ್ ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ? ಓಕೆ. Okay, so now the last step is preparing or drawing the particular profile, particular cam profile. Particular cam profile. Okay, so shall I start drawing a profile?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. See, listen carefully. You have to start the profile from this point. Okay, so it has to touch all the arcs tangentially. It has to touch all the arcs tangentially. So it's little bit like disturbing here because I'm drawing with a mouse here. So you have to draw first light line and then you have to make it darker. So I hope you can able to see this. It is touching tangentially to with the all arcs, correct? So there should not be any sharp lines. It has to be very smooth curve. Okay, so draw it slowly, touching all the arcs smoothly. Okay, so this is your cam profile. This is the cam profile. So there are like little bit like the wavy lines are there. You have to make it proper lines. So it has to be a free drawing. The profile you have to do without using any scales, but it has to be very clean, smooth curve, not any sharp curves. Clear? Got it? Understood? Understood? So this is what we call it as the cam profile having roller follower with offset circle or with offset to the right. When I say right, the whatever the right thing or the direction will go from center to the right. Okay, means this circle will come to the right side. When I say offset to the left means what happened? This circle will come to the left side. Okay, this circle will come to the left side, that is left offset. Okay,
Sir, 12.5 ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು?
12.5 andre, see, for example, can you imagine this cam profile is rotating? Which direction it is? Which direction it is rotating?
Clockwise.
Which direction it is rotating? It is in clockwise.
Clockwise.
Clockwise. So we are drawing all the angles in counterclockwise direction. Correct? This is a very important part.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So what happens here? So can you imagine when this point, particularly this point comes to this circle, when it comes, it is rotating, say for example 2 dash coming at this position. Can you imagine 2 dash when it comes to this position, 2 dash will coincide with this. 2 dash will come to this position, and this point or this this whatever the circle is there here, right? I just missed here. This point will come at this point. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So instead of rotating the cam, we have taken the follower at every position. We have taken this follower at every position. Understood? So what
Yes, sir.
happened?
Yes, sir.
Whenever this radius is maintained throughout this thing, and this point is maintained as the center of follower, and this point is made as the contact of the tangential contact of roller and the this profile or the cam profile. Clear?
Yes, sir. Ivagotte.
Okay, gotaita. So this is the major importance of the roller bearing, where in only roller bearing we get the prime circle because of this radius, roller follower. Clear? Understood?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts? Have approximately around 8 minutes. So if you have any doubts, you can clear it right now. Okay. Clear? So clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. So 1 minute. I will stop recording.